Hi LCISD students, this is Chad Jones and I work in the technology department here, and we wanted to walk you through how to do student course requests online for next school year. It's really easy. You're going to do it through the Skyward Student Access Center. We're confident you know how to use that. Log in there to check out your grades. If you're not doing that, talk to one of your teachers. They can give you your username and password. But once you're logged into Skyward Student Access, you're going to go to the schedule area here on the left hand side in this menu area. And this is your current year schedule. Hopefully you already know that. But inside the course request area, we're going to go to view request for 2014-15 at your next school year for your next campus. Now I've already gone through and I've entered some course requests over here, but here on the left hand side it's going to give you all available courses. Yours will look a little different than mine. On the right hand side it'll be your selected courses. If this is the first time you're going in there, it'll be blank. You don't have any selected courses probably. And what you can do is over here on the left hand side, let's say I want to sign up for band. I can type in band inside the search box, click enter or hit the search button, and here's all of the bands I can sign up for. So I'm going to do Jazz Band 2. I click it to select it, and now I'm going to choose add course, and it's going to move it over here into my selected course area. Now if I don't want to search and I just want to look through the list of courses, I can always just use the scroll bar and scroll up or down to find whatever courses I want to add onto my selected courses area. Now, one thing we do want to show you is what if you made a mistake and you accidentally chose a course that you don't actually want to take next year. For example, right here I selected English 1 and English 2. I only need to be in English 2. I chose the wrong one initially. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select English 1 to highlight it, and now I'm going to use the remove course button to pull it back over out of my selected courses area. So if you accidentally choose the wrong course, just go into the selected courses area, select it, and click the remove courses button. Now one last thing that you might want to do is enter in alternate requests, because sometimes all of the selected courses you want to take aren't going to be available for you. Maybe that band class isn't an option to fit inside of my schedule, or maybe it gets full and they can't fit me in there. Up here at the top there's the request alternates area. I'm going to click on this button. It's going to look exactly like it did before, except for one little thing here. Over on the selected alternate courses area now it says this. I've got this R. Those are my requests. But now over here on the left, I'm going to search for band again, because maybe if I don't make jazz band, I want to make it into cadet band. So I select that, choose add course, and it's going to move it over here into my selected alternate course request, and notice it has a 1. That means it's my first priority, it's my first choice for an alternate course. Now let's say if I don't get in, I also want to have accounting 2 as an alternate course request. So I select it and I choose add course. It moves it over to the alternate courses area over here. Notice now that I have 2 alternate requests, I have these green arrows. So if I wanted accounting 2 to actually be my first choice, I can hit this green up arrow to move it up into the next area to make it my number 1 choice for my alternate request. All right, a few more things, just informational items for you. Up here at the top right hand corner, it will tell you the number of requests that you have entered. It'll also tell you the number of total credits you've requested. That's important for our high school kids. Typically, high school students have 7 credits during a school year. So you're going to want to work up to 7 credits. You don't want to go over. And if you're under, you want to make sure that you have enough courses listed there, because sometimes you request things like office aid and it's not necessarily a credit course, so your credits might be a little under 7. One other thing is for our junior high and middle school students, those kiddos, you're only going to see your elective choices on the left hand side in the available courses. Your regular core courses are going to be automatically added by your campus, so you will only see those elective choices for you. Last thing I wanted to tell you, there is no save button inside of this. It automatically saves for you. So every time you see something move over to the selected courses area, it saved that request for you. Nothing to worry about as far as clicking save. Whenever you're done, just hit the X in the upper right hand corner and it'll take you back to your schedule screen, and you can move forward and go check on your grades and see how you're doing in your classes. This is Chad Jones from the iCafe studio. Thanks for joining us. Good luck next school year with all of your course requests, and hope you have a great year.